Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Jim's Teardrop Garage. Today we're going to be putting a little bit more wood on the interior of the galley wall anyway. It seems my molding's a little bit thicker than I thought, a little bit wider, so I'm going to have to add this to it. I'll show you in a second just what I'm doing. Alright, let me show you. Okay, this here's my molding that goes on there, and as you can see, it's got a little gap right here, so I'm going to have to fill that in with a piece of wood. And I should take care of it, make it a little bit firmer. So let's do it. Alright, now we'll wait for that to dry and then I'll trim the edges of it. Alright, here's what I ended up with after I trimmed it all off. Don't look too bad once I stain it and everything. We'll see how this molding fits on here. It kind of filled in the gap pretty good. Yeah, we don't have a gap there at all. That'll make it a lot firmer. I'm going to put the molding on the outside here. First off, I've got to seal that a little bit. I'm going to use some of this wood hardener along the edge here. A little bit harder, and then I'll stain it, and we'll get on with this program. Alright, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. See you next time.